Hello traders. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the FXR SR Zones Indicator on MT4. This support and resistance tool automatically detects and shades important price zones on your charts, so you can clearly see where the market has reacted in the past and may react again. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the LL imports. And there we go. The FXR SR Zones Indicator scans your chart and highlights support and resistance areas as colored horizontal zones rather than single lines. These zones are drawn where price has repeatedly bounced, stalled, or reversed, giving you a visual map of major supply and demand areas. As price approaches, touches, or breaks through these zones, you can quickly see where reactions, breakouts, or fakeouts are most likely to occur. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Alright, so the key settings control how many touches or reactions are needed before an area is promoted to a support or resistance zone, as well as how wide each zone should be. You can adjust colors for support versus resistance, opacity, and whether to show only recent zones or historical ones too. The indicator works on any MT4 time frame and can be used on Forex pairs, indices, commodities, and other CFD instruments. So who is it for? FXR SR Zones is ideal for traders who base decisions on support and resistance, but want those areas defined objectively and clearly on their charts. Zones are still based on past price and can fail during strong trends or unexpected news events. They should be used with confirmation tools like candlestick patterns, oscillators, or other flow cues, and always within a strict risk management framework. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full FXR SR Zones Indicator for MT4 article, including configuration tips, pros, cons, and example strategies at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.